Did you know that your PC has a powerful tool for diagnosing any Wi-Fi problem? Go to Start and look for Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as the administrator. Once it opens, type this command. Wait for a few seconds. A report will generate it in the path shown below with all the Wi-Fi activity over the last 3 days. How to check if your SSD is perfectly healthy or not? Go to Start and look for Windows PowerShell. Make sure to run it as the administrator. Once it opens, type this command. Get physical disk select friendly name health status. Press enter to see if your SSD is healthy or not. Then type the second command. Get volume and press enter. It will show you all of your drives, available space, and file system information. Windows has a hidden command that shows every device connected to your Wi-Fi. Go to Start and look for Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as the administrator. Once it opens, run this command, rp-a. Press enter, and the output will show you all the phones, computers, laptops connected to your Wi-Fi. If your Windows updates keep failing, do this to fix it. Go to Start and look for Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as the administrator. Once it opens, type this command, gp-update/force, and press enter. This closes corrupted policies. Now you can update your Windows easily. Windows has a tool that stores every crash, update, or failure, helping you to troubleshoot PC performance. Go to Start and open Run. Type perfman/real and click on OK. It will open a visual timeline that records application crashes, Windows updates, or hardware failures.